I'm Reet. I'm a PhD student at Hyderabad University, and today I'm going to share my experience of how PhD interview for IIT Roorkee went for me. I gave interview on December 2024. Okay, so I'm going to share my own experiences and my own observations, and the mode of the interview, and what was the panel like, how many professors were there, and what kind of questions were asked from me. So yes, let's begin with it. So IIT Roorkee opens its application twice a year. Okay, so first would be the autumn semester and then monsoon semester. Autumn semester in the month of maybe June, July, August, ऐसा करके, and then spring it is not called, I suppose. Yeah, monsoon only. In the month of September, October, November, December, ऐसा करके. I remember giving my interview on 8th December exactly, and yeah, just keep a tab on their website and see when does the application process comes out. And yeah, they have also some sort of rolling advertisement kind of thing open for PhD admission. I don't know whether they take all the disciplines or not, like all disciplines are, whether it is for all the disciplines or not, you have to check it. But there's certain sort of rolling advertisement which it comes out somewhere in between maybe. Yeah, just keep a tab on their website. And also yeah, just be vigilant about it. And the second thing that I wanted to talk about is the mode of the interview. You have to give an offline interview. I hope it's always been offline because at my time I gave in 2024, so it was offline, and you have to go all the way to Roorkee and you have to give your interview. घूम भी आना, मस्त जगह है भाई. I loved Haridwar, I loved Rishikesh. Okay, so that is there कि ऑफलाइन इंटरव्यू देना होगा. एंड आई रिमेंबर दे ऑल्सो गिव सर्टन सॉर्ट ऑफ अकोमोडेशन. अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो तो फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे दे वुड टेक पीपल. या दे गिव अकोमोडेशन, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अकोमोडेशन. नाउ अब क्या बताना था, या व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड, हाउ मेनी प्रोफेसर्स वर देयर, और ये सब. ठीक है, तो एज आई टोल्ड इट्स एन ऑफलाइन इंटरव्यू, तो वहाँ पे आप पहुँच के आपका स्लॉट रहेगा. हाँ, दे कॉल पीपल इन 2 days. लाइक आई थिंक इट्स फॉर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स बिकॉज हम इंग्लिश स्पेसिफिक की बात कर रहे हैं. तो दे कॉल पीपल इन 2 days. फर्स्ट वाले डे में मोस्टली it's people who have applied through institute assistantship, and second में JRF, but first में कुछ JRF people are also there as far as I remember. So it's like first day as institute assistantship वाले. institute assistantship जो university provide करती है, and second through JRF. तो I remember institute वाले assistantship वाले दिन बहुत कम लोग आए थे, but जो JRF वाले दिन थे वो ज़्यादा लोग आए थे. बिकॉज एक होता भी है ना कि आपका लगता है कि प्रायोरिटी पता नहीं वो किसको देंगे, तो ये भी चीज़ है. बट आई थिंक दे टेक ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स एज फार एज रिमेंबर. इंस्टीट्यूट असिस्टेंटशिप के भी थ्रू और JRF के थ्रू, लाइक इक्वल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. या again, I may not be sure in terms of that whether they take equal candidates or not. You can check that thing. उनके results published होते हैं तो आप check कर सकते हो. Now coming back to what I just forgot. I'm sorry guys. क्या था भाई, मुझे क्या बता, हाँ, क्वेश्चंस बताने थे. तो सबसे पहले तो वहाँ पे कैसा, लाइक हाउ वुड योर इंटरव्यू बी, हाउ मेनी प्रोफेसर्स वर देयर, एंड व्हाट वुड बी द पैनल लाइक. सो फॉर it's my experience. Okay, I cannot generalize this experience. For some it may be different. Again, I have to mention it here because I think it's necessary that you take just a perspective and not solely depend on somebody telling you something. Okay, so yes, it's just a perspective. So yes, the thing is, so for me it's like सब लोग, और शायद mostly लोगों के लिए भी, professors will surround you. You sit at the middle, and then I think there were around 8 professors. Yes, 8 professors, and 2 of them asked me questions, and 2 of the ladies asked me questions, and I think they are pretty chill only. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत इंटिमिडेटिंग है, कभी कभी इंटिमिडेटिंग लग सकता है, बट आई थॉट कि ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत इंटिमिडेटिंग और उस टाइप की चीज़ें हैं. सो या विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दैट आई थिंक इट वुडेंट बी सच अ प्रॉब्लम कि एकदम वो ऐसा ऐसा डिमीनर लेके जा रहे हैं. सो दैट वुडेंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम मच ऑफ इट, कि दे आर प्रिटी आई थिंक not so much of intimidating people. Yeah, again, yeah, now what kind of questions were asked from me? I clearly remember my interview lasted for 4 to 5 minutes, so I felt it was just a mere formality sake. For others, like on average, people had interview around 6 to 7 minutes or maybe 8 minutes, ऐसा average था. For some it was around 8 to 9 minutes, but mostly it was like 5 minutes 6 minutes, ऐसा average करके अगर हम बात करें तो मेरा तो 5 मिनट मुश्किल से चला होगा, and that too people were talking to themselves only mostly. So yes, average, let's say, expect 8 to 9 minutes, or maybe some could get some. For I remember some people were really excited that the conversation was really engaging, and they took time to see their proposal. They don't see your proposal. Yes, they don't see your proposal. For me, they didn't see my proposal. I think it was in their hand. No, I don't remember. It was mostly like they were asking questions. They were asking me to introduce, and yes, the first question would be introduce yourself and your topic, and that was there. That is the first question which they asked. For me, they asked around 3 to 4 questions. तो सबसे पहला तो वही था कि introduce yourself and introduce your topic, and then I introduced it in 1 minute, maybe. Yeah, 1 minute, 1.5 minute, yes. And then it was what is your methodology and frameworks, what sorts of methodologies are you going to use, what frameworks, what theories you're using. So I answered on that, and on that the professor talked for 2 minutes, I suppose. Yes, 2 minutes. And the other professor asked me about my primary text, questions regarding my primary text, and one more question was asked perhaps. Yes, what is the novelty of the research? So these were the strict questions that were asked from me, and I think I answered them confidently only. I did not stammer or something, and also it was very crisp and very short, like very short. मैं आई और मैं गई. Yes, after the interview they would ask you to write your preferences for the supervisor कि first में कौन सा, second में कौन सा. So that would be there. They would ask your preferences, and yes, that was it for the interview, I suppose. Yes. Now regarding the list, मेरा तो नहीं हुआ था उसमें, ठीक है, मेरा IT रुड़की में नहीं हुआ था. So I think they selected around 34 candidates from whole humanities and social sciences. You should remember that humanities and social sciences exist as whole and not independent departments as such in IITs. So that is there कि independent departments नहीं, वो पूरा humanities and social sciences collectively है. तो collectively economics, philosophy और जो भी जो subjects हैं जो IIT consider कर रही है अब गेट के एग्जाम्स के थ्रू या PhD के थ्रू, तो दे वर अराउंड 34 कैंडिडेट्स, और मुझे लगता है इंग्लिश के अराउंड 15 या 16 या 17 कैंडिडेट्स होंगे. तो इट्स क्वाइट अ नंबर दो, एंड आई डोंट नो वेदर दे डू इट एवरी ईयर और नॉट, बट yeah, that is what I saw and witnessed. So but the problem is with IITs is that they don't release seats, which is a problem. Like आप जब तक बताओगे नहीं कितनी सीट्स हैं, हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि किसके अंडर अब सीट्स आ रही है, किसके अंडर सीट्स नहीं आ रही है. दैट इज़ वेरी वेग एक्चुअली अबाउट IITs, most of the IITs. In fact, they don't reveal the number of seats and the professors that are taking the intake of seats. So that has been a problem with IITs. So I think that was it. The questions, interview panel, we will be sitting at the middle and professors will be surrounding you around. For me it was 8 professors, 7 or 8 professors, or maybe 6, sorry, maybe 6 or 7. Yeah. And what else I have to say? Yeah, हैदराबाद में ही अटके. घूम के आओ, रुड़की घूम के आओ अगर अफोर्ड कर सकते हो तो. ऑल द बेस्ट. I would want to say that all the best for your interview and अच्छे से करो अपने research proposal को thoroughly study करो. And I would also say that if you're applying at any places, try to connect to scholars of that department. That would actually give you some form of insights. If you are able to connect through any, and अभी social media का इतना है कि you can connect through email, man. So it's better if you are applying for any place, connect to the professors and connect to the scholars. That would give you some sort of insights, because I am giving an outside perspective. अब आई डोंट नो कि क्या सिस्टम है, कैसे लोग सिलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, क्या उन्होंने कॉन्टैक्ट किया था ईमेल के थ्रू ये वो, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों के अच्छे इंटरव्यू गए थे, ठीक है. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट, लाइक आई वॉजंट हैप्पी एज सच, बट आई वॉजंट सैड इवन कि मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत ख़राब, क्या पता उनका, बिकॉज आई हैड एक्सपेक्टेड कि मेरा जो एरिया है वो एक प्रोफेसर के अंडर फॉल करता है, तो मे बी कुछ हो सके, तो आई डोंट नो. But yes, just I'm saying that just try to contact to people who are in the respective institution, and that would actually give you some sort of insights, because they are insiders, we are outsiders, we can just give an outside perspective. So that would actually be helpful to you, and prepare well for the research proposal and research interview. All the best.